Hi, this is Chris from Investoo.com taking a look at StockPair, a binary options brokerage firm. As you can see, I'm on the front page. There are a couple things you'll notice right away. They do announce immediately that they are regulated with CySEC in the EU. They offer premium accounts. They offer an educational area, and they offer trading indicators. That being said, we can go directly to the education area, and you can see that they have a nice abundance of articles that you can read. It tells you about trading with them. Again, this is a basic overview of trading binary options. We highly urge you to come to Investoo.com to look at the education offered there. But as you can see, there is basic information here that you can at least kind of get an idea of what you may do, may not do, etc. They do have a trade simulator, and you can click on that and it will bring it up. As you can see, it brings up a video, and then you can go to simple questions like what are pair options. They do have a market review, and as I'm recording this, they are talking about the FOMC being tomorrow and how that may affect the dollar. You can see that it has a chart, etc. Gives you an idea of what you may want to look out for the next 24 hours or so. And of course, they have the section why use StockPair. Now, of course, they are regulated. There's no hidden cost. Typical binary options claims. We also can click on deposits and withdrawals, and it will tell you that you need 200 currency units of the dollar, the pound, or the euro. You have to authorize your account. That's of course a money laundering thing, so there's really no way around that. This is what's really interesting, is they offer so much in the way of payment options. You're going to be hard pressed to find yourself struggling to fund your account. Obviously MasterCard and Visa, and then just a plethora of other types of funding. You can see that if we click on trading, it pulls up the platform. You can change anywhere from 60 seconds to the next 150 days. Now, that is a little bit different in the sense that most binary brokerage firms do not offer longer term binary, so that's a pretty big deal if you are a longer term trader. You can see that we have currencies here. A good variety of major currencies. You go to USA, and those are stocks, of course. So you can maybe click on Caterpillar. It'll show you what Caterpillar's doing today, and then you click on how long you want it to be, and just pick up or down. Pretty straightforward. Europe, you can see that we have some of the larger ones: BNP Paribas, Deutsche Bank, Vodafone. Click on Vodafone. It brings up what Vodafone's been doing today. And then you have the indices. That being the case, you can see that most of the major large indices out there. Australia is closed, but they do have stocks in Australia. And then, of course, gold, oil, and silver. So, that being the case, it's a good all-around brokerage firm. What we really like about this particular one is that it does offer the longer-term options. That's almost unheard of. So, if you are a longer-term trader, StockPair is probably going to be right up your alley. You can see that it's a pretty straightforward platform, not heavy on the technical analysis, but if you are a longer term technical analysis driven trader, certainly you can find charting out there to make your trades for the next 90 days or whatever. All in all, though, pretty straightforward. You got 80% payout rate. Is regulated, is a reputable broker from everything that we have seen and heard. Certainly like it, and again, really like the idea of being able to place the longer term trades.